That again is a fishing expedition. The Inspector General of Police is before you this morning or this afternoon in furtherance of certain habeas corpus orders.
Let him ask. I will determine whether he should answer or not.
I'm most obliged.
Mr. Kanja, the question is that if these people are not in police custody, then can Kenyans feel safe?
No.
Under your reign?
My Lord, again, my learned colleague seeks to cast aspersions as to the ability of the Inspector General of Police.
Mr. Nyamodi, if I look at it...
Do I sit or should he sit, my Lord?
Wait. I'm trying to let things flow. Because this officer is not here for the whole day. So, he's asking whether the people should feel safe. What do you assure the people? Answer that question.
Your Honor, thank you very much for that question. I want to let the people of Kenya know that they are safe. We have just come out of the festive season, and through the entire season, all the people who are here, they enjoyed the Christmas festivities and many other holidays that were there, because this country is safe. So I want to assure you that we are safe.
Thank you. We will leave the other questions for the other witness that involves who is in charge of investigations.
Thank you. I will not ask you a question because I don't want to do the party's case.
Can he step down?
Yes.
Can we put the second respondent on the stand, madam?